That I like going to bed looking like a greased donut, so bear that in mind. I warned you. I told you that I love to go to bed like a greased donut. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ejilechi. If it's the first time you're seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a video. And if it's not, hi my love, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a skincare video. I have a video on this channel where I did my morning skincare routine, and I thought it wise for me to do my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm about to do my step-by-step nighttime skincare routine, and we're gonna do it together. I like to start out on a clean canvas, yes, which I already have. I've showered, I washed my face. I washed my face with a simple face wash. It's very basic and simple. I do not have a lot of skincare concerns right now, so my face wash is basic and simple. Different strokes for different folks. Whatever your skin concern is or your skin type is will determine the kind of face wash you use. I'm going to leave a picture of my face wash so you can see the face wash, yes, if you are interested. So I also like to say that I like going to bed like a greased donut. Yes, I like to go to bed like a greased donut, so bear that in mind. And let's jump straight into the video. First, I always like to start out my skincare on like a wet face, but I was setting up for this video, so yeah. But don't worry, it's my nighttime skincare routine. And the first thing I like to do is to actually clean my face. I use this I don't know if you can see it. I use this toner by Skin Doctor. It has carrots, almonds, and natural witch hazel. It brightens, it soothes, and it relieves. I actually just use this to clean my face, to get rid of any dirt that wasn't washed away when I was actually washing my face. I find this step absolutely necessary, especially at night, because you do not want to have dirt on your face, dirt, oil, or makeup. So I use this toner right now. Will I be repurchasing this toner? Yeah, we'll see. But for now, it's actually getting the job done. I like to put it on my cotton pad. I just take a little of it, a generous amount actually, and then I clean my face. Sorry, there's a mirror in front of me, so I might actually be looking at it a bit. So shit, I actually spilled this off. Oh my 90! Oh my god, I'll have to change it. So whatever you do to your face, I feel like whatever I do to my face, I like to do to my neck, because I do not want a different shade on my face and a different shade on my neck. I feel like that would be absolutely outrageous. So yeah, I make sure I clean my face properly, extend it to my neck. Beside my nose, yeah, those parts, your ears, all of this places. Yeah, and there's dirt on it. I don't know if you can see here. So it was absolutely worth it. The next thing I like to do is to apply 3 pumps of this Russian skin serum. It's a collagen skin serum. Collagen is supposed to promote a firm, tight skin for a youthful appearance. It visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and we do not want fine lines and wrinkles. So this is the product. I apply 3 pumps. This is the product. I apply 3 pumps on my face. I'm almost out of it. You know that feeling when you're almost out of your skincare products and you're like, oh, I'm about to spend money. But yeah, self-care is necessary. Self-care is absolutely necessary. Yeah, so I massage that all over my face and also extend to my neck, of this. I cannot see myself properly. How do I look now? The skin is beginning to skin, right? Yes, so we're making sure that we avoid fine lines and wrinkles on our face and our neck as well, because we don't want your face to be looking young and your neck be looking old. That's gonna give you out. And one other thing I'll try to start doing as well is to also extend my skincare products to my hands as well. Yeah, as you want to look young for as long as you can. Then the next thing I'm gonna be using is this face serum. Yeah, this face serum by Guacheng. I hope I got that correct. It's a Korean product. It has nicotinamide, it has vitamin C, capture miracle nanotechnology, pure and stable, moisturizing oil control, fade spots, antioxidation, moisturizing oil control, it fades spots, antioxidation. We all know what vitamin C does. It helps to brighten out, dark spots, gets rid of hyperpigmentation and all of that. So yeah, this is my vitamin C serum. I like to use it at night because it does have a brightening effect, and I feel like it works better at night. Do you get, without the UV rays and all of that? It comes in this cute little bottle, which I absolutely love. Yeah. So I love to actually also use 3 to 4 pumps of these. I like to use a generous amount. So we're like, shit. 1, 2. Okay. I warned you. I told you that I love to go to bed like a greased donut. Yeah, so this is where we are right now. I like to give my face a little bit of massage, especially at night, just to relax my face, smoothing things out. I'm trying to get a gua sha. Like I think I absolutely need that stuff. I'm going to leave a picture of a gua sha on the screen so you can see it. I think this is the point where I will need it to just massage my face properly and get my product into my skin. So I like this to sit on my face for a while, to let my skin absorb the moisture. So yeah, now that has gone in, it's time for me to lock in this moisture with my simple replenishing rich moisturizer. If you watch my videos, I rave about this product a lot. I actually have a video dedicated to just this product. I'm going to leave a link to that video somewhere up here. You can check the video to know more about this product, but it is for all skin types and it does exactly what it says it's gonna do. So I take a little, almost out. I take a little bit of it. Oh my god, like I'm almost out. And I rub that into my skin. Always remember to extend to your neck. So this is where we are right now. My skin absolutely looks amazing and feels really supple and soft, and I also take care of my lips as well. I love to put a little bit of gloss on my lips. I love the gloss. Like, if you know me, you know my lips are always glossed. So that's like the last bit of thing, and then I'm done for the night and I can go to bed and sleep like a greased donut. And I can actually have my beauty rest right now. So this is my nighttime skincare routine. It is, simple, affordable. Guys, make sure that you take care of your skin at night. It is absolutely necessary. I think my nighttime skincare routine is actually very important because that's when you're resting. Your skin would work, your skincare products will work better. You're not out in the sun. I don't know if I'm making sense to you, but if you do not have a nighttime routine, you can try this nighttime routine and let me know how it goes. So guys, this is my nighttime skincare routine, step by step. I showed you guys everything. I will leave the prices of this product on the screen so you can see it is affordable and yet very much effective. I feel like it is important that you have a nighttime skincare routine because at night your skin is relaxing, you're not out in the sun, so your products can work better. This is what I do at night, and I wake up in the morning with a plump, radiant, beautiful skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I will be dropping my skincare body care routine for the Harmattan season. Let me know if you would want to see that video. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.